have the Simply Essential shelving. These things are interesting. Long poles are on the bottom. You start out with the long poles. These things go on the pole and you have to snap it into place. So you measure it, you got 1, 2, 3, it's pretty much on the 4th one. And these things are all in the same spot here. Then you have to screw in the feet here. This is a finesse thing. You gotta hear the snap on these things. Once you hear the
it together, slide it down, join together. Where I want them, I'm holding together, then I will pull down.
Top. The top snapped in. And
it's gravy. At first, it's like, what?
exactly.
At first, try and take that off.